found in 2 hours and another day.
I understand perfectly. You want to tear these people down in court. Well, I'm suggesting they never get there. We find out how to get to them and we pay them off.
What happened?
What?
They tore it down a few days earlier.
All right. Westminster Abbey.
Eminent domain.
It'd be such a shame to have to tear down this beautiful home.
Fuck you, Frank. You can't just roll up on my property and act like...
Sorry, I had to get the spotlight off me, and tearing down other women is part of my pageant training.
Okay, we are reading that right now.
Oh, please don't.
We got embarrassed tonight, come on.
No, but it's...
In English phrasal verbs, we will learn the verb, tear down. It means 1. To deconstruct a building or home. Examples: it is a shame when city officials decide to tear down historical buildings. We are going to tear down this house and build a bigger one. 2. To make others feel bad about themselves. Examples: Sheila became depressed because the kids at school had been tearing her down. Fans will cheer you on when you are winning, but they will also tear you down when you are losing. They aren't loyal. Now, let's see how tear down is used in real life.
What happened?
What?
They tore it down a few days earlier.
All right.
You want to tear these people down in court. Well, I'm suggesting they never get there.
And tearing down other women is part of my pageant training.
Okay, we are reading that right...
It'd be such a shame to have to tear down this beautiful home.
Fuck you, Frank.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.